Modal verbs are special verbs that express possibility, ability, permission, or necessity. The modal verb may is used to show about 50% chance that something is true or will happen. It tells us there is a possibility, but it is not certain. May expresses possibility in everyday sentences. For example, you can say, "It may rain this afternoon," meaning there is a chance of rain. Or, "She may arrive late," which means it is possible she will be late. Another example is, "They may be at home now," showing possibility about someone's location. In different situations, may helps indicate possibility. "The train may be delayed" means there is a chance the train will be late. "He may not remember your name" shows it is possible he forgets. When we say, "We may need more time," it means extra time might be necessary. There are important grammar rules for using may. It is always followed by the base form of the verb. The verb after may does not take an s, ed, or ing ending. To form questions, invert the subject and may. For example, "May I come in?" To make negative sentences with may, use may not followed by the base verb. For example, "It may not rain today" means there is a chance it will not rain. "She may not come to the party" means it is possible she will stay away. "They may not know the answer" means maybe they do not know. We form questions with may by putting may first, then the subject and base verb. For example, "May I use your phone" is a polite way to ask permission. "May she join us" is asking if she can become part of a group. "May it rain tomorrow" is a question about possibility. Practice helps you learn to use may correctly. Fill in the blanks with may in sentences like, "It may rain later," "She may call you tonight," and "We may not finish on time." Notice the verb after may is always in its base form without changes. To summarize, may shows about 50% possibility. For affirmative sentences, use may plus the base verb like "It may rain." For negatives, use may not plus the base verb like "It may not rain." To ask questions, place may before the subject like "May I go?" Always remember to keep the verb in the base form after may with no added endings.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.